How to lock and unlock apps on Samsung. So if you want to lock your apps, maybe specific apps like photos and so on, then I'm going to show you how you can do this using the third-party app on Samsung. Let's get started. So firstly, we need to go ahead and open Play Store or Google Store. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to search for the app lock. Now tap the search. And we are interested in this app, App Lock Pro, App Lock and Guard. Just tap install and wait for the app to be downloaded to your device. Let's just wait till we can open it up. And yes, now let's open the app. And first thing we'll need to do is we need to set lock protection. So you can choose 6-digit PIN code, or you can switch to 4-digit pattern or knock code. Just tap right here on this field with 6-digit PIN, and to switch, tap on any other option, then click button OK. Now create PIN you want to use. I'm going to use from 1 to 4. Tap create on the bottom and verify. Let's see the changes. And now we need to also enable free permissions. Click understood and you'll be prompted to enable those permissions. So let's tap on the switch, tap permit, tap allow, then again, and then again allow permission. And now what you will see on the screen is unlocked tab and locked. So this app will automatically sort some apps to be locked and some of them to be unlocked. For example, this is my list of locked apps right now. If you want to unlock something from here, just tap on the app and it will be moved to the unlocked tab. Let's just leave the gallery locked and everything else I'm gonna unlock just by tapping on the app or on the lock icon. It doesn't really matter. And now I have gallery locked with the help of PIN code, and these are my unlocked tabs. So let's test it. I'm gonna try to open, let's say, messages, and it opens with no problems. Now let's try to open gallery, and it will prompt us to enter PIN code. So just enter your PIN code and you'll be able to access your gallery. So that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.